Okay, everybody, I'm out here in the garage. I've been strapping up a lot of honeydews. You can see here that I've got a 49-inch marble vanity that I've got to put in the bathroom. So the wife is loading up the honeydews on me and get me away from the bench. But I thought I wanted to give a little update on where I'm at on this 55 Chevy Cameo. I haven't got a whole lot done. I do have a rolling chassis going right now. At least I did get that far. Everything's looking good so far. I got the strips in the bed. I used my Molotov pen and just kind of hit those. And then, boy, I'll tell you what, those chrome pieces on the back, especially those corner pieces, they were a chore. I had to sand a lot of that chrome off, and so I'm doing a lot of touch up with the Molotov pen, but, well, they were rough fitting. But, got the interior tub done. I'm gonna have to end up gluing this all the way back because it just doesn't want to stay where it should. So I'm gonna have to glue that back there. It just doesn't look right. And sad thing is, you can see I've got my silver Sharpie pen here. I tried to do some of the bare metal foil around the trim work on the cab here, and daggone it, every time I get that foil burnished down real good and go to take my knife and make a cut, you just drag it right off. So I'm thinking I'm just going to have to take my silver pen and snap my silver Sharpie there and do the best I can, I guess. I get frustrated really quick when things don't go right, so I don't want to continue with that bare metal foil because something bad might happen. So anyway, I've got the rolling chassis going. I'm getting there. The red line tires are really looking sharp now. I've got to get the rest of the chrome on. I haven't got any chrome on the front yet. I've got to get that grill and everything in, get some black wash on it, and get the headlights mounted. But I'm getting there. I just want to give everybody an update on where I'm at on the 55 Chevy Cameo. That's it.